Sa ating pong napakagaling na Secretary ng DSWD, to my good friend, the former Mayor and Congressman of Valenzuela, Secretary Rex Gatchalian, to all the Undersecretaries and Assistant Secretaries, Regional Directors, Bureau Directors of DSWD, fellow civil servants, and local officials, our partners from the civil society organizations, from the private sector, to our resource persons and guests, a pleasant afternoon po sa ating lahat. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude and appreciation to the DSWD for inviting ULAP, or the Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines, to this significant activity. Bilang isang public servant po, we are reminded every day of our obligation to abide by the National Action Plan, rules and regulations, policies and laws. Moreover, we are expected to be on top of the situation 24/7 and frontliners in this fight for the welfare of our constituents and the well-being of the entire nation. Dito po sa ULAP, bilang umbrella organization of all LGUs, leagues of local government units, and local officials in the Philippines, kami po ay laging in pursuit of our engagements that may push our local perspective into developing national policies and programs, strengthen LGU capacities to deal with the multifaceted health crisis that affects us, and deepen our collaboration with the national government, private sector, development partners, and NGO community as we move forward and bounce back better and stronger under the new normal. This time, we are gathered here today as we look for possible ways to create interventions as well as recommend short, medium, and long-term solutions to further strengthen the local stakeholder support for responsive and holistic interventions for 4Ps children. In doing these, we must consider that good and effective governance must be coupled with strong political will, adequate financing, reliable data, management systems, capable and sufficient and equipped human resources, and an organized network for service delivery. During these difficult times, accurate and timely information and resource are integral tools to sustain the interventions at the grassroots level. In addition to this, to focus on sharing of LGU's best practices for possible replication as well. Ang Valenzuela po, ang daming best practices na maaaring kopyahin ng ibang LGU sa buong Pilipinas. ULAP would like to emphasize the importance of collaboration as this is a critical part in the integration of national plans and programs into the local PPAs for possible implementation in the community. Batid din po namin ang kahalagahan at crucial na tungkulin ng mga LGUs na nagbibigay ng complementary support para sa 4Ps beneficiaries, alinsunod sa polisiya at sa batas. Sa bagay na ito, ang ULAP po ay lubos na sumusuporta at kaisa ninyo sa layunin na magsilbing kabalikat at nasyonal na pamahalaan ang gobyernong lokal na maisakatuparan ang mga programa para sa 4Ps beneficiaries, lalo't higit sa mga kabataan. Kunin ko na rin po ang pagkakataong ito na maanyahan ang mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan na maging kampyon at manguna sa pagsulong ng adhikaing ito. Muli, nais ko pong ipahayag na sa pagtutulungan at pagkakaisa, maisa sa katuparan natin lahat ng mga layunin na ikakaunlad hindi lamang ng isang komunidad o isang LGU kundi ng buong Pilipinas. Muli, ako po si Dax Cuba, ang inyong kaibigan mula sa Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines or ULAP. Nagsasabing maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay ang DSWD, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.